Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are all having a wonderful day. In today's video I am going to show you how to remove password from an Excel file. With this method you can open any kind of password protected or restricted Microsoft Excel files without a password, and that is coming up. As you can see here, I have an Excel file on my desktop. Since I don't remember the password of this Excel file, I cannot open it. See, here it says the Excel file is protected. Alright, in order to remove password from such kind of Excel file, you need a Windows or a Mac computer, and after that you need a software called PassFab for Excel, which you can get from the link given in the video description below. So just click on free trial and install the software into your Windows or Mac computer. After installing it, open it up. Once open, the interface is super simple. This software will give you two options. The first option is recover Excel open password, and the second option is remove Excel restrict editing. So select the ones that best suits your needs. So in my case, my Excel file has open password protection, so I'm just going to select it. Then click on this add button, select your Excel file and click on open. Once your file is added, this software will use three different methods to remove password from your file. So select the ones that best suits you after reading the description of each one. And if you click on settings, there will have more options. So I'm just going to select the first one, then click on start, and then wait for the software to recover password from your Excel file. This process will take time depending on how complex your password is. Once the recovery process is completed, the software will show you your password. As you can see, mine is very simple, and it took only few seconds to show me the password. So let's copy this password and see if it works or not. So let's paste the password and click on OK, and boom, as you can see, now my Excel file is opening without asking for a password. Okay, now before I show you the next method, there is something that you should know about the software that I used in this method. The software I used in this method is not free, you have to purchase it. So let me show you the pricing. And when you click on buy now, here's the pricing. If you go with 1 month license, then it will cost you around $16. And also, if the software wasn't helpful to you, then you can ask for a refund. This company provides around 30 days money back guarantee. Alright, now let me show you how you can remove password from your Excel files online. So as you can see, I've been searching ways to remove Excel password online. Then I came across these two websites. This one is not free, I've tried it, so let's close it. And this one is kind of free. Let me show you what I mean. If I scroll all the way down, so as you can see, if your password is weak or simple, then you can use the service for free. So as you can see, the success rate is around 22%, and it will take only a few minutes, and it's completely free. If your password is strong or complex, then you have to pay these amount depending on what version of Office you are using. So I'm gonna go with the free one. So just click on I am not a robot and complete this captcha. After that, this upload button will be revealed. So just click on it and upload your file. After that, wait for this website to recover password from your Excel file. And as you can see here, it says around 3 minutes remaining. Just wait for it. Okay, as you can see, now it says my password is the same thing. And also, I've used this service without paying a dime. So there you have it, guys. That is how you can remove password from an Excel file. Please let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. I would love to hear them. And also, if you learned something new from this video, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your one like and share means a world to me, so thank you so much if you do. And if you want more videos like this in the future, then please subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you on the next one. Stay blessed, stay safe, bye.